So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this kind of rubber under the door guard that basically would keep out insects and air and things like that. And I've already taken out the package, and I just want to show you what you get with this thing. So let's just go ahead, take off this piece, and let me peel and stick barrier on there. So it just goes like that. And then it's like a little windshield wiper. And it says to do some low temperature heat on it. I do have a little small heat gun. Peel it off and stick it on, and you should be good to go. That sounds pretty easy. I've got a front screen door where the bottom kind of sweeper thing has fell off, and I've been wanting to replace it. What I did was found this real affordable little item right here. So let's go ahead, let's cut this thing to length, get it set up, and I'll come back and show you how easy this thing is to put on. Okay, so here's the door. There used to be a sweeper part right here. So what I'm gonna do is just clean this area off. I'm gonna actually replace this whole door altogether. So this is just normal rubbing alcohol right here. I'm gonna have to get a screwdriver and remove that screw. Okay, now that I've got it all cleaned up there, let's go ahead. Let's see about where we need to go. It looks like maybe right there. I'm just gonna go from that edge to that edge. Trim it one more time right here. Oh yeah, we are good. Now I'm gonna put the adhesion promoter on here. They gave me some gloves for this, but you know what? I think as long as I wash my hands afterwards, I'll be fine. Now I already got a hair dryer and kind of heated this up. I have to take it in the house to heat it up. So it is a little warm. There we go. So just peel this off, and then it's as simple as just lining this up. Luckily I already have a line right there that I can kind of go with. Oh yeah, that went on there perfect. So a little closer look. Look at how nicely that went on there. Move that out of the way. I kept it just high enough where it's barely missing, but it's gonna close up the gap right there pretty easy. Everybody, I think this is a great option for anyone that just needs to have a little gap filler for any type of door or window. You could probably put it about anywhere. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the rubber door sill. See you on the next video.